So today I'm showing you how to download version 12 of the BMW accessories configurator, which is here. You want to go to that website right there, and then click show all files. It'll open another tab. This here, you want to double click that, it'll download, and then while it's downloading, you just want to go to your settings and go to that screen resolution. And once you've done that, there we go. Go and downloads, there we go. Double click that. You just gotta wait for it to load. So this will pop up, you want to click open, then you want to click configurator, more info, run anyway, and then this should be the right one now. Yeah, so this is the right one. So you got newer models in here now, like late noughties, early 2010s I think this will be. So yeah, there's your version 12. If you want to see version 3.3, look at my other video. And if this helps you, like and subscribe if you want to see more. Thank you.